Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily extract metadata from any files using ChatGPT. So it could be a photo, video, audio, or even documents. Now, at the very basic, this method is very simple. You could just upload a file to ChatGPT and then tell it to extract the metadata from the file, and after that, ChatGPT will give you the answer. But I find this prompt, this basic command or instruction to be not very consistent. So sometimes ChatGPT is giving me a detailed answer, but other times it is not giving me all the answer I want, and there are plenty of details that are missing or not being displayed by AI. So instead, I do recommend to use this prompt. That is something that I'm going to reveal later, but basically this prompt can work on various file formats, and also you'll get a detail and as mentioned the metadata in the JSON format, which might be useful for machine learning, database, or perhaps if you want to create a product catalog or something like that. I think this format is very useful. So let me show you how you can extract metadata from any files using ChatGPT. Let's open ChatGPT. But before that, make sure that the code feature is enabled on your account. So you can click profile and then navigate to personalization. And down here, you can open advanced and just make sure that the code feature or the code interpreter is enabled on your account, because this is the feature that lets AI to inspect the metadata of the files. Now I'm going to close this. And I have 4 different files with different types or file formats. So I have a picture of a cat, and then I have a video of a cat, and then this is an audio of a cat, and lastly I have a document, actually a PDF document of a cat. So I have 4 different file formats, and again the prompt can work on various formats. So this prompt is available in the description down below. You can use it. I'm going to copy this prompt. Let's paste that on ChatGPT. And after that, just click submit and just wait for several minutes for AI to inspect the metadata from the files. Now, this duration is very long because I have different file formats. If you just upload perhaps images, then the speed is going to be a lot faster. But given that I have different formats, there could be different ways for AI to get or extract the metadata from these files. So this will take a bit longer. So anyway, I'll just skip forward and I'll show you the result in just a second. Okay, so after about 3 minutes or so, finally I got the results. So for each individual file, there's going to be a table detailing the metadata, but there is also the JSON format of the same information, which again can be useful for database. So I guess that's basically it. That's how you can quickly extract metadata from multiple files using ChatGPT. Again, the full prompt is available in the description down below, so you can use it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.